Today I'll be showing you guys a super easy and quick blow dry using the new Revlon blow dryer while using all uemura products. Right now I'm using the Ample Angora, a volumizing mousse, and then I'll be using the Fiber Lift gel only applied to the roots. I'm going to be sectioning off into 3 different sections, leaving the top for last. In order to get that nice smooth finish, you want to make sure that you're going on top of the hair and then again underneath, always in a downward motion. Continue around the head, going in a downward motion until the whole section is dry. Because the blow dry is shaped like a brush, it's so much easier to get back there and get all the sections that you normally wouldn't with just a brush and a blow dryer. So make sure you get each section because you don't want any wet hair sitting on top of dry hair. So then that's when you'll get that frizz. I always blow out the front section down and back to give it that nice voluminous effect, and then I always finish with the texture wave from uemura. And there you guys have it.